re-sign into everything.
Now I got to sign into everything all over.
Eric wants to take a look at Intel. Okay, Eric, we can't look at anything until
Any
this thing reboots.
until
Sorry about that.
this
All right,
thing
so what do we
reboot.
have over here?
We have over
A
here
lot of questions.
a lot of
All right, Crosby.
All right,
Crosby.
Crosby.
Cool
All right.
beans. Meth head Mark Cuban. Okay. Bro is an investor in Shrimp Bank. Okay. Sway the game. Your wife died today. Why are you telling me this? I have. Okay, whatever. Hey, serious question. Well, okay, I'm not even going to do that game again. Back in the 5th grade, we had a stock competition, and my team lost because we bought Enron stock. We learned a valuable lesson. What lesson was that? Orlando, UPS, MMC. Does the stock have to be around Dividend EX date? You can buy it anytime you want.
Buy it anytime you
The only
want.
reason I like
The only reason I like
is stocks have a tendency to go up in value just before the dividend. That's what the EX dividend date is.
That's what the EX
tells you when
they're
they're
getting ready to pay out their dividend.
I can write some of these
I
down.
gotta write some of these down.
UNH.
UNH NOVO
Nordisk. You gotta tell me what Nordisk is.
Tell me what
I don't know the Nordisk symbol for that.
I know this
Chris, I have no idea what that one is.
Chris Brad.
Eric wants to take a look at
Eric wants to take a look at INTC.
Alright, what else have we got?
What else?
Not to see.
Not to see. How do you feel about BlackRock owning everything? Well,
If I had as much money as they,
maybe you trade futures a long time ago, not anymore. Sorry, Drew, I don't do them anymore. Alright. Nah, they chop sideways. I have no idea what that means. They chop sideways?
Bro,
this guy knows nothing.
Thank you, Drew.
Thank you, Drew. How do they work?
How do what work?
See, Drew, you're under the impression that I understand the conversation going on in your head.
You're giving me 4 or 5 words each time you mention something.
How do they?
How does who work? How does what work? How much should I start with? Walter, I honestly don't know.
I honestly don't know.
I have no idea.
You have no idea what your goals are.
Of anything.
Idea of anything.
All right, you gotta excuse me for a second.
Right.
Gotta wait for that thing to disappear. How much should I start with? We're all different. Now, Walsh, what I usually tell people is when you're first starting, you should probably start out with what do they call that? A paper trading account.
Paper trading account. Just that.
Once you get the hang of it.
Once you get the hang of it.
Then
Then you can
never put real money
into anything until you crack.
That's
like before you buy
Monopoly.
play some like 4 greenhouses, 1 red hotel. Go around and around, collect rents, collect
payments, all that kind
of nice stuff. And here we go. Give it a few more minutes. Okay, so that's
there.
Questions there.
Walter, thank you.
Walter,
thank
you. This was Tony Hawk.
All right. Orlando wants to take a look at UPS. We'll write that one down. UPS.
We'll write UPS. What else? MC, I have no idea who those are.
But we'll take a look. Does the stock have to be around
the exit by
how many days in a row
do you think
win SPYOD? Don't care. I looked at SPY.
I don't like the numbers. Sorry.
I think
there should be more.
Also, this YouTube screen
YouTube.
We already talked about that.
Dylan already talked about that. The other channels
working.
stopped working.
Yeah, everything stopped.
Yeah, everything stopped.
All right, we're just uploading right now. Hello from the Bay Area, California.
California.
Dylan doesn't know, so that's okay. What's going on here?
Daniel here will looking to invest in dividend stocks for weekly cash flow, looking for a simple, safe, consistent 1% per week, using nothing to require dividend stocks and those that companies consistently increase their profit 2 decades.
How's that, Daniel?
All
right, so count number 3. We got those
Count number 3. We got those questions.
What do we have here? Wild
will do. Juniper moon. Cool beans. Gary. Kathy. Yes. Mark. Pete's card.
Burke.
Carl. Sabrina. Sergio. Pastor Ken. John. What's happening, Pastor? MSTY. Edward, I don't know why you want to look at that piece of crap. MSTY. Now, the only reason I'm calling it a piece of crap is it's only around 2 years.
Edward.
MSTY has been around not even 2 full years.
And their
profitability is not consistent. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down.
If you're okay with
that, fine. I just won't do it.
Daniel,
how do you start? You just keep on showing up, keep asking questions. It's not that difficult. You start a trading account. LUV, isn't that Southwest Airlines? LUV. KJ will take a look at that in a little bit. AGNC, hell no, Mustang. AGNC. I'm going to take a look at it really quick and explain to you why I don't like it and see what you think.
You kind of look like Tony Hawk.
Thank you, Andrew.
Macy's.
Love Macy's. Over 100 years old.
Thank you for that,
Edward.
THT. That's over 10 we got to look at so far. Oh, are we up? We're up. Which account do we want? We want this account here, and there we go. All black even.
Here we go.
All right, got a couple more questions to go. Macy's is
too high now? Sorry, Dave. Let's keep on keeping on.
Wow, I missed all these questions.
All these people showed up. All right, right there.
Felix
4X, strong at the rim. Okay, Rowe, Gales, Riley,
David
Olson, Pastor Ken,
Richie,
Pablo.
World you
want to live in, girl. Up.
How you doing?
Hunter, Apollo, Sean, Sarah,
Flower,
Dylan, Eric, Jonathan, Mark,
David,
Buddy, XL Advance, Teabag.
Eric
wants to take a look at Mara.
MAR. A couple of seconds.
I'm going to breeze 10, and you'll see how quickly I go through them.
Daniel,
what investment platform? I use Charles Schwab.
Okay,
and this platform is called Think or Swim, which Charles Schwab inherited when they bought American TD Ameritrade. Where do we find the EX dates? Diana, hold that thought for 1 second. Edward, I think about going into THTA and getting 100 a month, possibly. Okay.
One is Robinhood.
The other is Think or Swim. Actually, I use both. I use Robinhood and Think or Swim. We're actually going to come up with a new channel number 3. And we're toying around with the idea of a TV station. TV channel.
But at that point,
we're going to change the whole layout. Anyway,
so let's see
where we are. EPD. That's not what we want to look at. So what? All right, wait a second. I'm going to finish up looking at these questions here. You got all those. So I'm just going to finish up these questions here. Then we're going to start looking at some stocks. Giovanni, Novo, Warren, Eddie, Eric, J Crypto, Nick, Haven, Big Dad, Will Way Gamer. Just to chill. Made 0.25% today. Excellent, Edward. If it's better than nothing, $111. Cool. The real money is in your all uppercase name. trust attached to your uppercase name.
Thank you, Eddie.
Thank you, Eddie.
If you can
If you can explain that in a manner and it would actually make sense, I'd appreciate it. Joshua, what percentage of your total cash do you think you make the 1% a week? Usually 95%. I have between 85 and 95% of my money invested at all times.
What else am I going to do?
What else am I going to do with it?
Let it sit there.
Let it sit there and collect dust.
Okay, now
for some of you, I don't want to talk down to you, and I don't want to think I'm superior to anyone, because I'm not. I'm just an average, everyday guy. But I tell you what, after working for 5 decades, okay, 1973 was my very first job. Okay, after working for that long, you get a good idea of what works and what doesn't. At my age, I have a good idea of what my monthly bills are and when they're due. So if every single week I have 80 to 90% of my money invested on a Monday, when you do a covered call, which is what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to be showing you in a minute or two, that money goes into my account, and it's available for me to spend on a Tuesday. So every Tuesday I get a paycheck from the stock market, because I do all my trades on a Monday, and the covered calls I sell on Monday. Well, that money gets released the very next day, so that's when I pay all my bills. Anything left over, I just throw it back in there, because what the hell am I going to do with it? Okay, my kids are grown; they're on their own. I have almost no bills whatsoever. I get a few small credit cards. That's about it. Less than $5,000 or $6,000. That's all I owe. That's it. What else am I going to do with them? You get to a certain point. Money. There's a great line. Conan the Barbarian. At some point in life, diamonds lose their glitter. Gems refuse to shine. Money has no more value to you once you reach a certain point. Because you can only spend a certain amount. And some of you think, yeah, I can spend a lot. You probably can. But at some point, you run out of money, or you run out of crap to buy. Let's not go down this road. Let's go and take a look at what we're here for. Looking at some stocks, seeing if they fit, and seeing what's going on. So, Eddie, if you'd like to send me a DM and try to explain that to me, because it doesn't really make much sense to me. The real money is in your name, Kestu KV, trust attached to your uppercase name. No idea what that means. Now, I understand all the words individually, but how you have them clustered together makes no sense to me. All right. Thank you, Eddie. Albert, Mark, Michael Howell, good evening. Edwin, I need $5,000 from trades a month to quit my job. So 5,000, so you need at least 110 grand, Edwin. 110 grand will give you $1,100 every week, hypothetically. If I say 125, 125, that'll give you $1,200 a week. That's about $5,000 a month, roughly. 1 million to be comfortable. Hey, mom learns to cook. You do realize $1 million at 1% a week, that's $10,000 a week. What the hell do you need $10,000 a week for? That's a serious question. Jackson, I'm not even going to acknowledge that.
Yep, my time is short.
We never know. Enron, you introduced me to covered calls, and now I'm also do covered call options. Thanks for the education. You're welcome. That's what we're here for. Here to share our knowledge. Mo Marini. Good evening. Shoot, lagging. I have no idea what that means. Adam, my connection isn't consistent. Zim, dog eats cat. Okay, Zim. We'll take a look at it.
And I'll
tell you why I don't like it. AGL. What the hell is AGL? AGL. And what was that other one? Verizon. We'll take a look at that one. USA scam. Never trust a cracker. I love people like you. Do you crack me up? Jeff Hetty, Energy Transfer. Take a look at it. Flex. What the hell is Flex? Flex. Energy transfer. We'll take a look at that one also. Bro, what is your strategy? We're going to get to that in a minute. Do you mainly focus on dividends? I'm going to explain that chasing buckets in a little bit. Bro, what's your strategy in trading? We're going to get to that in a minute. I work like to ask if these markets open to UK. Yes, they do. Bro, I'm 16 years old. Can you teach me? Unfortunately, I'm not going to talk to you, sir. 16 years old? You're not supposed to be here. Okay?
Okay, number
one. Here's an interesting thing. Okay? If you're underage and you know you're underage and you're asking an adult in a question, well, okay, I'm a father. I have kids. It is freaking creepy as hell for me to have a conversation with you. Only because it would creep me out if my kids were talking to some stranger online. So I appreciate your honesty. Thank you very much. Next time, do me a favor. If you're underage, don't tell me. Now I'm not going to talk to you because it's just a creep factor. Sorry. Edward, I was in SMR, then I got out early and entered PD, bad choice. I have no idea what either one of those are, but we'll take a look at it. SMR, and P and D. What the hell is P and D? All right. Let's finish up over here. As a dividend play for 22 BRLT, I have no idea what that means. Okay, how do you pick your stocks for a covered call? Freddie, great question. How do I pick my stocks for a covered call? Hope you get a pen, Fred. You ready? Now, when I'm doing a covered call, when I'm doing any trading, I'm very specific. I have videos going all the way back to 2011. You can take a look at them if you want. There's a whole bunch of them. But here's the thing. I only invest in companies that are consistently profitable. Here we go. You ready? 5 lists. Dividend Kings. 5 decades, 50 years of increased profits. Dividend Aristocrats. A quarter of a century of increased dividends. Increased profits. Dividend Champions, 25 years of increased profits. Dividend Contenders, 10 to 24 years of increased profits. And then just for the fun of it, list number 5, I'm going to throw into Warren Buffett's list because, my philosophy is, hey, if it's good enough for Warren, it's good enough for me. Okay? So let's keep on going. We're almost done with the questions here. Then we're going to jump in to actually looking at that list you guys just gave me. SMR has an ETF called SMU. Well, I'll take a look at it. SCLX. What the hell is that? SCLX. Small modular reactors. You do realize like 80% of the population have no idea what the hell that means. Now, if I say Ford, almost 100% of the people will know exactly what I'm talking about. If I say AT&T, I bet you everybody knows. Bank of America, I bet you everybody knows. Nuclear section, small modular reactors, I doubt 2 or 3% of people know that. That's definitely something I wouldn't be buying. Chasing buckets. Thoughts on DSU for dividends. Now, someone just mentioned something about DSU. DSU. Okay, hold on. Joshua, the better your portfolio is spread, the better in case it goes down and you have to wait with a large part of your portfolio. Thank you, Dylan. I'm not going to agree 100%, but all right. Gallant, holy cow, dude, I haven't seen you and heard from you in a while. Alcoa and Advanced Auto Parts. We'll take a gander at those. We're at about 20. You're going to see how fast I go through these 20. All right? Now, if you didn't know, the screen behind me is live at this moment. So if you want to watch it on your big screen TV, you can go in the other room, pop it on your big screen TV. That way you get to see these little tiny numbers. They're really small. You're not going to see them on your phone. You probably won't see them on your iPad. But just the screen itself is live on YouTube. And if you have a good cable provider, you can watch YouTube on your big 80-inch screen TV.
Okay.
Dylan. Sachin, he sells 100 stocks, makes a premium of 1% around the dividend date, but before the pay date on the dividend. Awesome. Chasing buckets. I've held DSU for the past 20 years. Very stable and solid monthly BlackRock. Chasing buckets, I can guarantee you 100% that DSU is not giving you a 50% return on an annual basis. You're from Dubai, sir. No, I'm not. I'm from Boston. Actually, south of Boston. Between Boston and Plymouth. Everybody knows where Boston is, and almost everybody should know where Plymouth is. Where those boneheads jumped off and landed on that big rock in 1620? That's Plymouth. So between Plymouth and Boston, that's where my home little town is. Procter and Gamble. Ooh, I like that one. That doesn't write P&G. All right. Right, we did that one. What do I find the charts that you're looking at? What or where? Exit 0622. Not 50%, roughly 11%. 50% would be insane. Chasing buckets, sit tight. You're relatively new here. I get, on average, 1.4% every single week for the past 15 years. Okay, 1% every week for the past 15 years. That's over 50%. I can guarantee you have your money, they ain't giving you that. PLTY, PLTR, yield max. I can tell you no right now, Edward. Or we can take a look at that. Dividend Kings, yep, Procter and Gamble. PLTY, PLTY, and PLTR. Yeah, I know exactly who they are. All right, so chasing buckets, sit tight. We're going to get that in a minute. I'm almost done. Done. So I got one more to go. We'll get these questions, and we're jumping right on. Take a look at that list. Chris, thank you. Could you have a look at Ford? Ford is not in a great place at the moment, but we'll take a look at it. ETHA. What the hell is that? ETHA. Macy's, you kind of look like Tony Hawk. Like the fifth person who said that tonight. GNC, where it's already on the list. Macy's is already on the list. Do you still have AOL? That's funny. Hi from Cincinnati, Ohio. IBM. Ray, I actually have some IBM. Badge H. Galant wants to take a look at Hewlett Packard. HP. We are almost done, and when I am done, we're going to freeze all the screens, and I'm going to breeze through that list. We're up to about 30. Okay, I want you. Now, everything's going to be recorded. So I'm going to breeze through these 30 stocks you just gave me and show you how quick and easy it should be. Sup, kid? Dog! What's happening, dog? Let's get. What do we got? ARR. What the hell is ARR? ARR. Procter & Gamble's already on the list. Shell. SHEL. You think I care about this stuff? If you don't care about this stuff, then why the hell are you here? All right. Shell. SHEL. I'm looking for a boyfriend for a long-term relationship. You have fun with that. How's Cisco? CSCO? CSCO? Bank of America? BAC? Verizon's already on the list. Love, wrong site. Yep. Why you don't like AGNC? Mustang. Okay, Mustang, AGNC is on the list. Okay, when I get to it, you will know why I don't like it. Comcast, Galant, man, you got like 5 of them you want me to take a look at. CMCSA. Juan has I got weekly options. It is older than 20 years. Okay. I want to know. Typo. AGNC pays 15%. Okay, fine. You like 15%? Take it. I don't like 15. I like 50. There's a huge difference. See, Mustang, there's a huge difference between 15 and 50. Huge difference. You like 15%? Hey, not a problem. You enjoy. I like 50%. So go to on a serious vacation. I already went on my vacation this year. What's the minimum to invest? That's going to be up to you. I can't tell you what to do. Bought Procter & Gamble tonight. Limits curious. Okay, hold on. Procter & Gamble. It's already on the list. All right. Just follow you. I need to learn what you know. Carlos, muchas gracias, señor. SOXL. I can tell you hell no right now on SOXL.
Where was it?
Where was it? Where was it? Okay. SOXL. All right. Ever heard of Archer Aviation? Yep. ACH, is that right? ACH, Archer Aviation. Thoughts on SPY? Oh my God, what the hell are you guys buying? Seriously. Weekly options, absolutely, Nova. TNA. It's a funny thing. You want to hear a funny story? It's kind of degrading, but it's kind of funny. We went and took a look at the car, Dodge Challenger, with the Hemi in the what do you call it? The shaker package. Triple black on black. Nice car. Okay. You open up the door, right, and there's a female sales lady. She opens up the door. On the seats is printed TA. What do you really think TA means? Top of your head. Most of you guys are thinking exactly what I thought. Stupid me. I said it out loud. I said, really? TNA? Yeah, she said, no, that's not what it means. I said, terribly sorry. First thing that came to my mind. Shop. JLLR. Shop. SHOP. IBM's on the list. That's on the list. Big Bear AI. You got to give me the ticker symbol. TTS and SS. Mark, have you did that? Borrow home equity to trade? I did. I don't suggest anyone else do it. Okay, so that is it. We're going to freeze each and every account. No more questions. Do you work for Comcast? No, I do not. He doesn't do crypto. Thank you very much. My light stirring is getting me anxious. Anyone know what the stream for the screen is? Would you buy a premium with 1 day expiration? All depends on the number. And Dylan, no, I don't buy premiums. I sell them. 80% of all options expire worthless. Think about it. If all options, 80% of all options expire worthless, why the hell would I want to buy them? Okay. I'm good at what I do. Okay. If 20% of all options actually profitable, I don't want to be in the 20% pool. I want to be in the 80%. ARKW. ARKW. All right. So we have a list. Check this list out. Here. All the way down. That's got to be at least 30 or 40 companies. Now, I'm going to pause each one of these so no one can ask any questions, and I'm going to breeze through how quickly these are. Okay? Again, where are you describing your strategy? 1% earnings weekly on 110,000. Dave, 1% of 110,000 is $1,100 a week. $1,100 a week on a $110,000 account. How much have you made this month? How the hell am I supposed to know? I'm retired, dude. If I make more than 1%, fine. Really don't care. I'm past the point where I count pennies, Ryan. Listen closely, Ryan. At some point in your life, numbers and money cease to have as much importance as they do for you. So you're still in your working days. I'm retired. Okay. I look at my accounts. Right. If I get 1%, good. I'm set. I really don't care how much I make over 1%, as long as I make a minimum of 1%. 309 Connor Nvidia. NVDA. That's the last one. We're not going to look at anything else. All right. So. You ready to do this? We're gonna breeze through really fast. Okay, when I say really fast, okay. If after I breeze through all these 40 stocks, you want me to take a look at something else? Fine, great. But until then, watch how quickly they are. It's a very simple trading strategy created for a 9-year-old. First one on the list, UNH, University of New Hampshire. Actually, it's United Healthcare. United Health Group. UNH. All right. My trusty old pen. High, low. Where is it? Look at the motion. Side, down, up. Okay. 271.81 to 272s right here. 295. That's over 1%. That's a yes. Okay, we'll put a little check mark next to that.
Novo,
Novo, N-O-V-O. No options. No, thank you.
Intel,
INTC. High, low, where was it? Where is it? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's in an upward trend right now. That is a yes also. UPS, U-P-S. High, low, where was it? Where is it? Sideways, down, sideways, down, sideways. 88.18, 88 is going for 80 cents, not 1%. Nope. MMC. High, low, was, is. Hell no. Monthly, I don't do monthlies. They just don't work. MSTY. I can say no right now to MSTY because I know that it's only been around for 2 years. So no. LUV. What is that? Southwest Airlines. LUV. Like that area. That looks awesome. 31. Hell yeah. 35. I like that one. AGNC. I can say no to AGNC right now. I say no to AGNC. AGNC. I don't really care about that. Look at this. 0. Yeah. No, thank you. AGNC. Nope. Macy's. Over 100 years old. High, low, sideways, down, sideways, up. 13.21. 13s are going for 29. Hell yeah. That's even 2 days. That's 2%. And that's what 2% in just 2 days. Hell yeah. SoFi. S-O-F-I. Hell no. Look at where it is. I don't buy anything at the high. Mara, M-A-R-A. 1586 to 16s, yep. Zim, Z-I-M. Maybe. AGL. What the hell's AGL? Hell no. Monthly. I don't do monthlies. Verizon. VZ. 43.71. 44 is 10 cents. Hell no. Energy transfer. I can say no to energy transfer without yet, but I'm sure you want to see that. 0. The numbers don't work. No, thank you. Rule number 5. Make sure the numbers work. No energy transfer. Flex. What the hell is flex? No. Monthly. I don't do monthlies. The numbers just don't work. SMR. No. It's a downward trend right there. No. PD. What the hell is PD? Monthly. I don't do monthlies. No. SMU. Monthlies. I don't do monthlies. No. SCLX. No monthlies. DSU. Interesting. BlackRock. No options. No, thank you. Alcoa. I love Alcoa. 32. 41. Yep.
I like that
I
one.
like that one.
Advanced
Auto Parts. 62, 350. Oh, hell yeah, 360.
Now, this is only
Now, this is only part of the equation.
We've got some other,
We've got some other stuff coming up.
PG,
Procter and Gamble.
100 years old. Ooh,
Love this one. 155. 155 is 105. No, that's 2 days. We don't want that one.
That's 2 days
That's
away.
2 days away. 155. 197. Yes. PLTY. Isn't it Poultry Group? PLTY. Poultry Group? Monthly. No. LLTR. What the hell is? Oh. Can't find that symbol. No.
F.
Ford. Interesting. 1150, 16 cents. Yep. That works. ETHA. No, I don't buy at the high of the year. IBM. I actually own some IBM at some time. 240, 375. Hell yeah. Hewlett Packard, HPQ. Ooh, nice. 27, 58. That's over 2%. ARR. What the hell is ARR? No, I don't do monthlies. SHEL. 72, 75 to 73. Yeah. No. CSCO. Cisco. No, I don't buy at the high.
Bank of
America. BAC. 4750 to 4750s, 56. Yep. CMCSA, Comcast. Ooh, love this one. Look at the bottom of the year. Now it's bouncing off of that. High, low. Look at this. Up, down, sideways, down, and up. 32.94. The 33's 46. That's over 1.5%. Yes. SOXL. I can tell you no right now. SOXL. Looks okay, but it's still going to be a no. But watch this. Here, sideways, down, up. 29, 27, 29, 50 is going for 122. That is about 3. Is that 4%? 3 or 4? 4%. Okay. Anything else was coughing? Sorry, I have to put this on pause for a second. It wasn't supposed to keep on going. It was supposed to stop the questions. All right. SOXL. SPY. Fuck nuggets. I don't like SPY, but we'll take a look at it anyway. Hell no, I don't buy at the high. Sorry. TNA. Okay. 40. Ooh, nice. SHOP. Hell no. ARKN. Nothing. No.
Last but
not least, NVIDIA.
NVDA.
NVDA.
No,
I don't buy at the high. I used the wrong pencil.
That's weird.
That's weird. Used the wrong pencil. All right, anyway.
Okay,
So
out
of about 50,
more than
half of them are no.
Now
that's the first look we're taking a look at. Okay, the chart looks okay, and the numbers look okay. Lovely. Now, for the fun of it, let's go a little bit deeper into the ones that we did pick to see how they look. For the fun of it, we're going to go over to Yahoo Finance. First one on the list, UNH.
This might take a little bit longer. Here we go.
NH.
I got dividends all the way down to, there it is, 2005. Okay. 1.5, 3, 12, 16, 21, 28, 30, 52, 75, 75, 108, 125, 145, 65, 188, 210, 21. Did you
notice every single number was higher and higher and higher and higher? Well, that's a yes. Simple. All the numbers high. They're consistently profitable. Okay, great. We're going to take a look a little deeper in a minute. Next. INTC.
Wait a second. Did I see that right there?
Right now?
36, and it decreased it to 12. That's a 60% decrease. Let's take that off the list. Next, LUV. Whoops.
LUV.
Southwest Airlines. That don't look good at all. All the way down 2005. That's a half a cent. 2006, half a cent. 2007, half a cent. 2008, half a cent. 2009, half a cent. Half a cent. Then we're at 1 cent in 2012. It goes from 2005 to 2012.
2005 to 2000. That's 7 years. 7 years with no increase. That's not looking too good. 1, 4, 6, 7.5, 10, 12, 16, 18. Okay. So if you're okay with that, all right, I'm just going to leave it there in case you're okay with it, because everything else looked okay. Macy's. Uh-oh.
That doesn't make me happy. 2005. Here we go. 12.
Happy. 13. 5. Okay, so 2008 to 2005, from 13 to 5. Well, 13 to 5 is not good at all. 5. Then it went to 2012, jumped up to 20, 25, 31, 36, 37, 15, hell no, 16, 17. I'm going to say no. They cut the dividend in half. Hell no. Mara. M-A-R-A. Whoops. M-A-R-A. No.
Now I do own some Mara because I do have investors, and they say, "Hey, buy me some Mara."
So I bought some Mara.
But I'm
not going to show it to you guys because it has no dividends. Zim is next. Z-I-M. Whoops. Z-I-M.
Integrated shipping. Okay. March 86 to August 2025.
That first dividend was right here. August 2021.
thing's only 4 years old. Hell no.
Hell no.
Wow.
Out of all those, we've got two to look at. Alcoa.
Now,
Alcoa's
been in over 100 years.
Over 100 years.
Their dividends go. Yep. Okay, 2005, 36, 47. It goes from 40 cents
down to 7.
40
to 7.
That's what
an 80% decrease? Okay, 7, 9, 10. Hell no.
In
case you like it, of course.
Advanced auto parts.
Oh
yeah, this is gonna be another no. 2005, 6. So we went from
6
in
2019 to 25
to a dollar.
to $1.50. Back to 25. I'm gonna say no. PG, Procter and Gamble. PG, Procter and Gamble.
25, 28, 31,
35, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 66, 67, 69, 71, 74, 79, 87, 91, 94, $1.05. Every single year after year after year, it went higher and higher and higher.
Why the
hell not? Why not? Procter and Gamble. That's a good question. It's been around for over 100 years, and it's consistently profitable. Why the hell not? All right, so that's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Ford. Yeah. Well, Ford's going to be a no. I just know it because they cut their dividends a couple of times.
I still invest in Ford anyway. They've been around for over 100 years.
They've been around for over 100 years.
They didn't take any free government money. That's one thing I like about them. Wrong pen. 5, 10, 12, 15, 20, 15, 28, 15, 10. It's not looking good. 15, 8, 15. 33, 15, 30. Yeah, I'm gonna say no to Ford. Don't get me wrong. I like Ford. Ford was one of my number one stocks a couple of years ago because they kept giving me more than 1% every single week because everything just went that direction. All right. These things weren't supposed to move, and they did. All right, hold tight. What else do we have? IBM. IBM. $52, 62, 71, 81, 90, 105, 124, 133, 143, 150, 154, 155, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168. Hell yeah! IBM. Hewlett Packard. HPQ. 3.6, 3.6, 3.6, 3.6, 5.4, 5.9, 6.5, 7.2, 7.9, 12, 13, 16, 17, 19, 25, 26, 27, 28. I'm going to give him a little leeway because it is Hewlett Packard. ARR. What the hell is ARR? ARR was on the list. Oh, a more residential. Okay. ARR. I'm going to say no right off the bat. Oh, wow. Okay, here we go. First dividend, 2010. 14 bucks per share. Can you imagine that? Look at this. The stock price is 15 bucks. Explain this to me in a manner which I'll understand. That must be what they call a special dividend. All right, see, in 2010, it was 16. Okay? $16 dividend in 2010. $16. Stock price is $15.42. Okay? March 2010, 16 bucks. June 2010, 16 bucks. September 2010, 14 bucks. December, 14 bucks. And it goes from 14 bucks, the very next year it goes to 480. It goes from 14 to 480. That's a 75% decrease. Well, let's keep on going. 480. 480. 440. 3.6. This is going backwards. Think about it. It's going backwards. You started out at 16 bucks. Now I'm at 360, 320, 280, 160, 165, 195. Oh, hell no. Hell no. ARR, no. Bank of America, BAC. In the summertime. That don't look good at all. 2005, 50 cents. 2006, 64, 32. That's a 50% drop right there. And then from a 50% drop in 2008, okay, a 50% drop, it goes from 32 to 1 penny. 32 to 1 penny. Think about that. If you got 1,000 shares, you get 3,500 bucks. Then you go down to from 3,500 down to 100. 3,500 to 100. Explain to me how that's going to work for you. Okay, one. Okay, then in 2015 it went to 5. Then it went to 7. Then it went to 12 to 15 to 18 to 21 to 22 to 24 to 26. I don't know. Comcast. CMCSA. First dividend. 3.1, 4.7, 5.6, 8.1, 9.7, 11.2, 12.5, 13.7, 15.8, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33. Hell yeah. That's Comcast. They've been in business since 1964 and they have over 60 million customers giving them a check every single month. How the hell can you go wrong with Comcast? We got a couple more to look at. SOXL. SOXL. dividend.
2000.
1 millionth. Then
point zero 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 0.0000083. Hell no. 823 1.8 1.6 1.2. Where is it? 1.9 half 0.5 0.6 0.3 1.6 1.4 0.7 1.9 0.04 3.8. No. What the hell do you see profitability there?
hell no.
Hell no. SOXL. TNA.
Directional daily small cap bull, blah, 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 blah. 2008 was their first dividend. 10 cents. 1 cent.
10
0.8.
0.04. 1.3. 16. It goes from 1.3 to $1.16.
That's a big jump.
And then
And
it drops to 2 cents, 59 cents, 24, 10, 1, 13, 16, 15, 1. Oh, hell no.
What the hell
What the hell is that crap?
All right.
So
out of
all
of
of those, what did we come up with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's it.
Out of the 40 some odd stocks you guys just rattled off, I came up with 5 that are actually, halfway decent.
So
let's take a look at those 5. Let's answer some more questions first before we go on to those 5. What do we have for questions? What? Nuclear sector, NVDA. Hell no to NVDA. Dave Jenkins, again, we are describing your strategy 1% earnings weekly on 110. Okay, that's 1,100 a week. How much have you made this month?
I won't know.
Okay, who's that? Ryan. How much have I made so far this month? I won't know until Saturday afternoon.
Now the reason
why I say I won't know till Saturday afternoon because all options expire on Saturday. So all day Saturday the computers are calculating all the options that are going to expire.
So
at that point,
then
I'll know what I made.
But
I can almost guarantee you it's over 1%. Okay, so Ryan, 1% of what? Ryan, if you have $100, 1% is $1. If you have $1 million, 1% is 10,000. You have 50 grand, 1% is 500. Okay, you got 500,000, 1% is 5,000. Whatever you got, you just multiply it by 0.01, and there's your number.
Dave
Jenkins, I'm frustrated. I'm okay with a little bit of risk. I'm going to learn your strategy, seek your guidance. Okay, Dave, I'm here every single night. I am here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, I don't do Friday nights, and I don't do Saturday nights. Last year, it was 7 days a week, and it's 6 days last year. 365 days. I've missed 6.
So that was
349 days straight. Missed 6. Have you done NVDA, Logan? No, haven't done it yet. I'm going to contact you and adopt your program on my day off. Okay. Dave, if you want, DM me your phone number and I'll give you a buzz. Anyone who sends me the number, I'll give them a call. And I guarantee you 100%. I ain't going to try to sell you anything. We got a couple questions way over here. Gates, AEO in the money at SRIC. 1150 plus 9. AEO, I'm in at 1185 plus 95. Okay, what should I do? Okay, Gates, we can take a look at that first thing in the morning. Eric says, keep rolling if it pays 1%. I'm going to agree with him. All right. Finish up these questions over here. We haven't done NVIDIA yet, but we'll get to it. Ooh, Lemonade wants to take a look at Kohl's. Now most of us got rid of our Kohl's because it got bought out. And anytime a stock gets bought out, well, usually the new market makers come in, give crappy premiums. JD, what the hell is JD? I have no idea what JD is.
Ryan,
you're finding 1% of what can you explain what you're doing better. Okay, Ryan, you're new here.
Okay.
I got 1,100 videos. They all say the exact same thing. Simple, safe, predictable, consistent, 1% a week, using nothing but pre-qualified dividend stocks. Those are companies that have consistently increased their dividends for more than 2 decades. That's 20 years. I buy them just before the EX date. I sell a covered call on them. It's one of the safest trading strategies there is. I know exactly what my profit's going to be before I even get to it. I even know what my risk is going to be before I even do it. And the consistency is I can do it every single week, week after week after week after week. Because they just sit tight. We got a few more minutes before we actually have 5 stocks. So we're going to actually go through the numbers and actually do some trading on them to see exactly what they look like. Elijah, thank you. When you say you don't do monthlies, what do you mean? Man M. He wants to know what do I mean by monthlies. Okay, Man M, are you ready for this? Here we go. Okay, Man M, are you ready? 15 August. That's this Friday. 22 August. That's next Friday. 29 August. 3 Fridays away. 5 September. 4 Fridays away. 12 September. 5 Fridays. 6 Fridays. 7 Fridays. 8 Fridays. Every single week there is an option to be bought or sold. Weekly option. Weekly option. Monthly would look something to this effect. 15 August, 19 September, 19 December, 19 January. Those are monthly options. A monthly option means I can only make 1 trade a month. Now, if I'm averaging 1 to 2%, 1 trade a month is 12 to 24% per year. If you're okay with that, fine. The problem I have with monthlies is right here. What day are we on? We're on the 13th. Okay, are you ready? Who said that? Who? Man M. Okay, Man M, are you ready? Here's your high, here's your low. 30 days. Okay? 713. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Great. Now, tell me, where's it going to be in another 30 days? This is what it's done. This 30 days. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Where's it going to be in 30 days? Okay. Number one, I don't know where it's going to be in 30 days. And number two, let's pull this up right here. Okay. The current price is $57.89. The closest one's going to be $57.50. It's paying $125. Now, $125 on a $57 stock is over 2%. Not close to 3, but a little over 2%. So I'm getting 2% on this monthly trade. See, this monthly trade. Okay, 57, 125. That's 2%. How long do I have to hold it? 37 days. You take 37, you have to divide it by 7 because there's 7 days in a week. Well, 35 divided by 7 is 5 weeks. I've got to hold this thing for 5 weeks to collect a little over 2%. I don't do monthlies. The numbers just don't work. And trying to figure out where the hell is it going to be in 30 days? No, thank you. It's the amount of money is just not worth it. Why would I invest, tie up my money for 2% for 5 weeks? 2% for 5 weeks when I can get 1% every single week. I don't do monthlies. The numbers just don't work. Okay, Man M, the numbers just don't work for me. Emma, how are you doing today? FNMA. What the hell is FNMA? Fannie Mae, that's who it is. FNMA. No options. No options, no thank you. Fernando Garcia, que pasa, amigo? Definitely Lena, Bitcoin. I don't do cryptocurrency at all. Okay, Laruni, Witty, UNH, where I looked at that one. Okay, Derek, NRXP. What the hell is that? NRXP. NRXP. Monthly. Yeah. No, I don't do monthlies. The numbers just don't work. What else do we got?
Dragot. Omnia. Sorry, I'm new here. First I came, I thought you were taking tickers. My bad. I am taking tickers. But Derek, what I'm looking for are companies that are consistently profitable and have weekly options. Okay? So when I say I got 5 rules, rule number 1, never buy something you don't understand and you don't want to hold on to. If you don't understand the stock, if you don't know it has monthly options or weekly options, or whether or not it pays dividends, or whether or not the dividends keep increasing, you shouldn't be playing this game. You should never, ever invest in anything unless you understand who it is and what they do. Real scoop. No! Allegiant Air had best stock price for a while, but dropping now. Okay. BRK. Isn't that Berkshire Hathaway? BRK. BRK. Berkshire Hathaway, right there. Okay. Let's take a look at Berkshire Hathaway. Okay. High, low, up, down, up. 477, definitely an upward trend. 477, so the 475s are going for 425. Not quite 1%. Why would I put my money into a company that's not paying me 1%? It's an honest, valid question. Better yet, let's take a look. Let's see how consistently profitable they are. BRK. Was it B? BRKB, is that right? BRKB. BRK. Berkshire Hathaway. Okay. Come on, Berkshire Hathaway. Historical data. Page isn't responding. Okay, here it is. BRK. Dividends only. Oh, check this out. There are no dividends in the selected time period. The name of the station is Dividend Stock Talk. Dividends for weekly cash flow. This has no dividends at all. So why are we looking at it? Real scoop. That wipes you out. Okay. Decent. Ford. No, we already said no to Ford. UNH. We already looked at UNH. NVIDIA is a hell yes. NVIDIA is a yes. NVDA. I love people that are uneducated. I do. Let's take a look. You ready? Real scoop. You ready? Ready for this? You ready? Here we go. NVIDIA Corporation. Dividends only. Let's take a look at every single dividend this company has paid out. Maximum amount of dividends. Here we go. $181 per share. You're buying a stock for $181 a share. You are getting a 1 penny dividend. Explain to me in a manner which you'll think I'll understand it, because I definitely don't understand paying $181 to collect 1 penny. That doesn't work for me. But hold on. It actually gets worse. It really does. We're going to go take a look at this right here. Statistics. Financial website. A lot of fun stuff you can find here. So let's take a look at the statistics for NVIDIA. Okay. You think this is a great deal? NVIDIA is paying a 1 cent dividend on a $181 investment. $181. Revenue per share. $6.06. $6.06 per share. Revenue. Let's come down here. Book value.
$3.44. Do you have any idea whatsoever what book value means? You take all your legal books, you take them to an accountant and say, here you go. You figure out what my company's worth. All the assets, all the obligations, you iron them all out. Pay off all the investors, sell off all your inventory. Guess what you're getting for your $181? You're getting $3.44. $3.44 for a $181 stock. Hold on. It actually gets worse. Now we're going to go to here to take a look at the summary. Okay. Take a look at the summary. The summary gives us an idea of the overall numbers and how wonderful they look. Let's take a look at NVIDIA and see how lovely they look.
EX dividend date, June 11th. The target, 185. The dividend, 4 cents. 4 cent dividends. That's 1 penny per quarter. 4 cents for the whole year. Also known as .02. That's not 1%. That's not 1/100th of a cent. That is 1/1000th of a percent. 1/1000th of a percent return on your money. Right there. What makes you think that is that good? You invest your money any way you want. I want 1% every single week, not 1/1000th of a percent for the year. Yeah, no, thank you. Oh, sorry. It's 2/1000ths of a percent for the whole year. Yeah, you take your NVIDIA and do what you want with it. I'm going to pay $181.
I'm going to pay $180.
It's only worth $3.06. Okay, we already did UNH.
Okay, we are
no on
HP. What the hell is HP?
It's not Hewlett-Packard.
It's not Hewlett-Packard.
No,
it's not Parker Hannifin. HP.
Heinrich and Payne.
Oh yeah, Heinrich and Payne. High, low, okay, down, sideways, down, sideways, 18, monthly, hell, no, I don't do monthlies. Sorry, sucking me into that one. What is this number he is saying? Pre-market maker. Because pre-market maker, you have to ask me a better question. Because what number am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about investing for 1% return on a weekly basis. That's over a 50% return per year. So when you say what number is he talking about, you actually got to give me a better question than that. All right, so real scoop, you're still saying no? Good for you. Above your obsession films. I have no idea what that means. John wants to take a look at waste management. No, I don't do monthlies, John. Sorry. UGI. What the heck is UGI? No, I don't do monthlies. BZAI. What the hell is that? Oh, another no. Another monthly. No. Ooh. Plant vids. Target TGT. Now, target. High, low. Look at this. Sideways down, sideways down, sideways. 105.36. 105s are going for 490. That's not quite 4%, but very close to it. Now, Target, you may or may not know, is over 100 years old. They have increased their dividends to their shareholders, which means they've been consistently profitable for over 5 decades. Whether you like them or not is irrelevant. They are consistently profitable. All right, let's keep on rolling. Ooh, PlantVid wants to take a look at Nextera. Yeah, that's over 2% for Nextera. What else we got? JEPQ. Why the hell would I want to look at JEPQ? JEPQ.
This is one of those pieces of crap that people keep ramming down your throat and say, buy it. It's wonderful. It's delightful. It's delightful. Okay, JP Morgan, $55. Yield, 11%. Year-to-date total return, 5.8. Is that good? It's August.
Is that good?
Is 5.8 from January to August?
Is that good?
For some of you, it might.
For some of you, it might be.
No.
Me? No. It doesn't work that way.
Historical data. Let's take a look
at how consistently profitable JEPQ is.
JP Morgan Income ETF, JEPQ. Let's take a look at dividends only. And let's take a look at all the dividends. Okay, here we go. 2025, 23, 22,
23, 24, 25. 4 years old.
Why the
hell are you investing your money into a 4-year-old company?
Rudy.
Yeah, Rudy, I'm talking to you. Why are you putting your hard-earned money into a company that's 4 years old? 4. Riven. Marco, do you really want to go down that lane? Riven has not been around for 20 years. Toyota, no. That's like crap and a half. PBR. Isn't that...
Yeah,
Win. I know SPX and SPY has daily options. You have fun with that. I don't do that. Okay, SPY. SPY.
Okay, hold on a second, Mark. Brazilian Petroleum. Yeah, I know what PBR is.
PBR is.
Okay, here we go. SPY. Let's go and take a look. We want to go to take a look. We want to go all the dividends all the way back to 2005. I only
look at the years. 2 decades. That's 20 years. Okay. 46, 48, 52, 67. Hey, that looks pretty good so far. Consistently higher, right? Or 67. Okay, here's to 67. 51, that's backwards. 55, 57, 79, 55, that's backwards, that's twice. 50, 65, 71, 77, 64. That's backwards 3 times. 64, okay. 64. 66, 69, 71, 56. That's 4 times. 5 times. 6 times. 7 times. Do you see what I'm getting at? When I say consistently profitable, these numbers should go higher and higher and higher. Not up, down, up, down, up, down. You want to do SPY, SPX, you have fun. They're not consistently profitable. No, thank you. Rudy, you got it? All right, I don't want to insult you or anything. I'm just here to educate you. If you like it, fine. You do what you're doing. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. And number one, I only like companies that are consistently profitable year after year after year after year. Christian wants to take a look at Altria. M-O, I love Altria. No. Sorry, I don't buy it the high. That was quick, wasn't it? Chris, Apple, AAPL. Now, Chris, I have...
Look at that. Okay. Up, down, up, sideways, up. Yeah,
I don't buy at the high. It's not the high of the year, but it is the high of the last 6 months. Here's your bottom here, 170. Now we're here at 233. I don't buy there. I already own Apple. I own Apple here at 204. So I will be getting rid of my Apple this week because at some point in time, as the stocks go up, it doesn't make sense to hold on to them anymore. Now, a lot of you may disagree. A lot of you might argue. Fine. Okay. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Ask yourself the question. Where do you think it's going next?
Seriously.
Where do you think it's going next? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up.
Where do you think
it's going next?
Okay.
I bought it at 204.
Okay.
It jumped up. I've made my profit already. I have no illusions whatsoever to think that it's going to keep going up.
Okay.
Two things you want to keep in mind.
Number one,
it ain't a profit
until
you take it.
Number two,
nobody ever went broke taking profits.
It's
just plain and simple.
Nobody
ever went broke taking profits.
So let's keep
going. What else are we looking at? Crocs, no. BAH, no. Verizon, we already looked at. Nvidia, hell no. Cisco, we already looked at. BAH, hell no. Down. What the hell is down? DOWN.
What the
hell is that?
That's
a no. BAH. Monthly. I don't do monthlies. BAH is a no. PLTR. Do you seriously take a look at what you're asking me to take a look at? Basically, you're asking me to do the homework for you. If you don't know what you're buying, you shouldn't be buying it. Tony, what's happening over there? Got all that noise over there, Tony. I'm going to mute you so we don't interfere with everyone else. Sorry, Tony. Okay. Do your own research. Don't listen to some random guy on YouTube. That's what I am. UGI, we looked at it. It was a no. FFTWX, what the hell is that? Ooh. Plain Ticks wants to take a look at Bitto. BITO. 27.27. I'm sorry, 22.27 to 22, right there. For almost 2%. For Bitto, if you like Bitto. That's a big question. Now, you see all this stuff, it's interesting. Fine, great. So what are the questions rattling around in your head? Ready? Question number one. Does it make sense? Question number two. Do I like this company at this current price? Question number three. Is this something I'm willing to do? Well, think about it. Okay? If you have kids, you feed them, water them, make sure they're dressed, make sure they have food, make sure you take care of them. They're okay. Fine. You take care of them. Great. You got pets, you got a dog, a cat, fish, bird. Well, you feed and water it every day. You take care of it. What about your own personal self? You brush your teeth, you shave, you shower every day? Sure, you take care of yourself. Now, out of everything I just mentioned, all of it takes money. You can't have pets unless you have money. You can't have a house unless you have money. Okay, you can't have kids unless you have money. Trust me, it's usually a lot. Okay, you can't. Okay, we humans, we can't do anything without money. We're the only species that got to pay to live here. So you need money. So why don't you take a look at your money every day? Sounds weird, doesn't it? But your kids are going to grow. They're going to move out. Your pets, they are going to come and go. Okay, your plants, they are going to come and go. But what's going to be consistent? Consistently, you are going to need to pay your rent, your mortgage, or someplace to have a live. You're going to have to pay to feed yourself every single day. You're going to have to pay to clothe yourself every single day. Money is something to do with what you do every single day. So why don't you look at it every day? Why don't you tend to your money garden? Do the weeding. Find a right place to put it. Okay, great. The sun's shining here. Great. Well, it's not shining here. Let's move it over to here. Great. That worked out great. Let's move it over to here. It's not that difficult. Most people spend more time planning a family barbecue than they do on their personal finances. Waste management. John, we looked at waste management already. No to monthly options. Lil, what the hell is COLL? Oh, that's what it is. It's a hell no. I don't do monthlies. Why are you asking me for something that you should already know? Jerry, Gap. I love the Gap. Look at this right here. That is freaking awesome. Get the high here. She shoots down, finds the bottom. Now she's bouncing up. She's at 21.15. The 21s are going for 62. That's a hell yeah. I'm going to write that one down. Well, actually, you know what? Let's do that one. So I told you guys we're going to do a couple. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 out of all those companies you had me take a look at. We only came up with 7 that are halfway decent. Todd, GSK. Todd, what the hell is GSK? I have no idea what the hell that is. 39, 40. I'm going to say hell no to this one. Okay, Todd, you ready for this? 39.13, 39.13, 39.13, 39.13. The 40s right there, 15 cents. Can we all say at the same time? Hell no. I'm not going to invest my money to get 1/3 of a percent. That's all it's offering. No, thank you. Lockheed Martin, Tay. LMT. Hell yeah. Let's take a look at Lockheed Martin too. Okay, done there. We got a bunch of questions. What's your favorite stock? That's a good question. Because it's like a revolving door. A couple of years ago, Ford was my favorite. Then it was Macy's, Walgreens. Those were my favorites until they fell from favor. Kohl's, last year was Kohl's. U.S. Steel was awesome at the beginning of this year until they got bought out. It keeps changing because the atmosphere keeps changing. How are your returns? Year to date, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year. Okay, so TM, all right, my returns average over 1.4% per week for the last 15 years. So that's over 50% every single year. German Taz, Pepsi. Ooh, I like Pepsi. How about a crypto H-bar? I don't do crypto at all. Pepsi, PEP. Ooh, interesting. 149, the 150 is going for 160. So let's take a look at Pepsi also. Those numbers work. And Pepsi's been around for over 100 years. All right, so no more. Let's take a look at the 8 we have. All right. Okay, I appreciate you guys, but let's not. On Moomoo, it's a boy premium to buy stocks and sell a call. Don't ask me why. I have no idea what that means. How about TSM? Is Bitcoin still speculative? All right. So 9 greed 9. Well, that's 11 greed 9. X1 is 11. All right. I don't do Bitcoin. I don't do any cryptocurrency. Because as far as I know at this moment in time, you can correct me if I'm wrong, cryptocurrency really doesn't have anything behind it. Okay, what does... And you know what? I have this argument all the time with people about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Great. What does Bitcoin produce? Ford makes cars. Harley Davidson makes motorcycles. General Electric makes appliances and produces electricity. Next Tier Energy, they produce electricity. Cisco, they have products. Almost everything I invest in has a tangible product and has a headquarters with buildings and assets. Bottom line, what does Bitcoin have? A wink and a nod from some guy on the other side of the planet? I think it's worth 100,000. What do you think? I think it's worth 100,000. Great. Where's your collateral? Seriously, where is your collateral against it?
And a
lot of people say, well, you can't get away. I understand cryptocurrency is the wave of the future. I understand that. I get that.
I do.
But at this moment in time, I don't think there's any cryptocurrency that has any hard assets to back it. USA has no collateral also. Yeah, I'm well aware of that. Okay, think of it this way. Cryptocurrency has no assets, no collateral behind it. But the USA has the workforce of the American people.
Okay,
just like England. England said, hell no, we're not getting rid of our currency. We're going to keep it. Because that's what they want to do. So we're going to basically do the same thing. All right, so we got about 8 or 10 to take a look at. First one on the list is going to be UNH. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. BIT is inflation resistance. No, it ain't. I'm not even getting the argument with you. Okay? Looking at your picture, it doesn't look like you're in your 60s or 70s. Okay? Is inflation resistance. Now, see, I remember Bitcoin hit a big, huge number, like 70,000, then it's a big pullback. What's with that? And then if you have cryptocurrency and you die and nobody knows what your access code is to that cryptocurrency, it's now worthless. Totally worthless. If you can't access it. Okay, I know a few people who had Bitcoin, died, and nobody could access their wallet to get that Bitcoin out. So what good is that Bitcoin now? Totally useless. And there's a whole shitload of people that did that. Anyway, let's keep on going. So Pepsi. 149. Let's take a look at the 150. You actually do the 149. 149 would be safer. It's paying 211. So let's actually take a look at the numbers. Let's actually do a trade so you can see how it works. First thing I want to do is get rid of. Well, let's go through the numbers. A year ago, 172.30. The high of the year was back in the beginning of September. That was 179.85. That's the high of the year. The bottom of the year, let's just say it has some pretty good support. Okay, let's zoom into that so we get a better look. Okay, look at this. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times 128. 128. 5 times. Wouldn't go below 128. That's your bottom of the year, 128. So from 128, look at this. Up, down, big up, down, and big up. See, I won't buy this because it's at the 30-day high. I don't buy anything at 30-day high. But if you like it, you can buy it at 149. So let's see what it looks like at 149. Okay, I'm going to change right here. Click on that, and right here, covered calls. Right there. Now I'm going to do the 149. Right there. By that 139, it fills right there. I'm going to change this. To just one contract. Come on, damn it. One contract at the market. Confirm and send. Now, I always tell everybody, read the order out loud to make sure you're doing what you want to do. Buy one covered call, Pepsi, 100. That is the weekly. 22 August 25. That is not this Friday, but next Friday. That means this option trade is going to expire next Friday, depending on where the stock is at the moment. The $149 call option against Pepsi stock at the market to open. Now I didn't stutter. To open means I'm doing 2 trades at once. I'm buying the stock, that gets sent out to New York. I'm selling the option, that gets sent out to Chicago. OMF semi. I'm tired. I just take VOO and call it a day. You know what? Absolutely nothing wrong with that. You give your money to a computer and you tell the computer to do whatever you want. VOO is an electronically traded fund. It's directed by a computer. You want to do that? Fine. I saw 2001: Space Odyssey. I seen the Terminator. I don't trust computers as far as I can throw them. Sorry. You do what's good for you. You like VOO? Good. I won't touch that damn thing. All right. That's the order right there. Now remember when I said simple, safe, predictable? I know exactly what I'm going to make before I even do it right here. Maximum profit, 180, 150 per contract. If I do one contract, 181. If I do 5 contracts, it's 181 times 5. Okay, we all know what math is. By one contract, great. 5 contracts, great. If you can do 115 contracts, wonderful. One contract, 181, 14,000 bucks. Think of it like a vending machine. How much is a brand new vending machine? 14,000. How much is that paying me every single week? Oh, roughly 181 bucks. That's a lot of snacks and a lot of sodas. Let's do the math. To find out the rate of return, you're actually going to have to do calculations with the calculator. Here we go. All right. Figure it out. The profit. 181. 181.50. Put it into the calculator. 181.50. And then to find out the rate of return, divided by the investment. Cost of commissions, including cost of the trade, including commissions and fees, 14,719. 14,719 comes to a grand total of 1.2%. So for those who think you cannot get 1% safely, well, the question is, do you know who Pepsi is? Do you know what they do? Do you know that they've been in business for over 100 years? Do you know that they've been consistently profitable for 5 decades? Okay. Do you also know Pepsi is in a very nice, strong upward trend at this moment in time? Does it make sense? That's number one. Do I like Pepsi at this price? Am I willing to buy it? Am I willing to do a covered call every single week? Oh, we're past 11 o'clock. Let's breeze through a few of these before we call it a day. UNH we did. Wait a minute, did we do UNH? Let's do UNH. UNH. Okay, right here. Check it out. There's the bottom right there. Now she's going up 170, 181, the 170. Sorry, the 271s. 271, 82, 272 right there. $6. Nice. $6. Let's do this one. 172. All right. 272. Whatever. Covered call. 272 right there. One contract. At the market. Confirm it. By one covered call, UNH, 22 August, 25. It says coming up next Friday. The 272.50. What's the strike price now? 271. I'm selling it 272. Picking up 358. It's costing me 26,000. Let's bring up the calculator. See what it looks like. 358 divided by the cost of the trade, including commissions and fees. 26,892 comes to a grand total of 1.3%. 1.3% every single week for a whole year is over is over 50%. Dog face, how are you today? Glad you're entertained. Tay wants to take a look at Lockheed Martin, LMT. Did we take a look at Lockheed Martin earlier? LMT. Okay. 442. Look at this gap right there. I love it. Big gap down, and now she's bouncing up. Here's the bottom of the year. You cannot buy any lower than the bottom of the year. Where's the bottom? That was a couple of weeks ago. Let's zoom into that. What do you think? Here's a 30-day high, the 30-day bottom. Now it's going up. Okay, 442. The 442s are going for 620. Let's see what that one looks like. Let's get rid of this. Change this to that. 442 right there, down to just 1. At the market, here we go. One contract, Lockheed Martin. One covered call, Lockheed Martin, 442. At the market, 700 is the rate of return, 43,000. Let's see what that looks like. 700 is the profit divided by the investment for 3,550. 1.6%. I just showed you 3 of them that give you over 1%. Well, you know all of them. UNH, Pepsi, Lockheed Martin. Those are 3 good companies. Now, it's past 11 o'clock. I'm past my time, so I'm just going to go over the last questions. Okay, so let's see. What do we have? What do we have? John, what about Taiwan Semiconductors? Okay, what about it? You look like Steve Carell, thank you. He doesn't care about crypto greed. No, I don't care about crypto greed. He won't say, LOL, I was here 2 months at 100 grand and asked, he hedged me with the old school Kramer mumbo jumbo. I have absolutely no idea what the hell that means. Okay? You have to ask a clear, concise question. Okay? I'm over 60. I don't play the games that you young guys play. Okay? X1, greed, X1X. He won't say, LOL, I was here 2 months ago at 100 grand and asked, he dodged me with the old school Kramer mumbo jumbo. No idea what the hell that means. Yield max, PLTY. Yep, I know exactly what PLTY. Dylan, he's missing one step in his process and working around the dividend dates. Actually, no, I'm not. Let's get out of this. Okay, so who said something about dividend dates? Who was that? Dylan. All right, Dylan, here we go. August 2025. Fast Terminal, O Realty, IBM, CTAS, Emerson, Walmart, Smuckers, ExxonMobil, Sherwin-Williams, K-View, Consolidated Edison, Clorox, Target, ADM, Archer, Daniel Midland, Aflac, PPG, Granger, ATO, Johnson & Johnson, Spaghetti, McDonald's, so on and so forth. These companies all have EX dates depicted by these little green dots. 4 dates you need to remember, John. Date number 1 is the announcement date. That's when the company says, hey, this is Jan from Dividend Stock Talk. We made this much money this year. This is how much money you're going to get, and this is when you're going to get it. It's the announcement date. They tell you what they made and when you're going to get it. Date number 2 is the EX date. Announcement date, EX date. EX date is the last day the stock trades before the dividend is paid out. In order to collect the dividend, you have to own it before the EX date. That's these little green dots. Next tier energy, right here. Dover, Pepsi, General Parts, Kimberly-Clark. You like any one of these companies, you want to collect that dividend, you got to buy it before this date. That little green dot. Okay, there's 266 trading days in a year. Okay, I'm looking at, personally, different companies. 300 different companies, 266 trading days, 4 quarters, because they pay a dividend every 4 weeks. 4 weeks, every 3 months, every 90 days. Okay, every 90 days, there are 66 trading days per quarter. January, February, March, first quarter. April, May, June, second quarter. July, August, September, third quarter. October, November, December, fourth quarter. Okay, the first quarter of the week, first quarter of the year looks the exact same as the first quarter of the, the first week of the first quarter looks the exact same as the first week of the second quarter. And looks the exact same as the first week of the third quarter and the first week of the fourth quarter. 4 quarters, 13 weeks, just like a deck of cards. 13 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so on and so on. The first quarter of the year, 13 weeks. Second quarter of the year, 13 weeks. Third quarter of the year, 13 weeks. We just happen to be in week number 33. Week 33, which is week number, I think, 6 for the third quarter. I think. Okay, so third date to remember on dividend stocks. The date of record. Whoever owns the stock on the date of record is entitled to the dividend. The fourth date, the payment date, when you're actually getting your money. So yeah, dates, EX dividend dates. You take whatever stocks you like, you put into an EX dividend calendar. You can go to Google, you can go to Bing, you can go to any search engine you want and look up EX dividend calendar, and you'll get one. The one thing I like about this one here, which is attached to my trading account, is I can import whatever stocks I want into it. So yeah, I put Dividend Kings, Dividend Aristocrats, Dividend Champions, and it tells me exactly when each one is paying a dividend. Now, why is that important? Because just before the dividend, the stock has a tendency to go up in value. So if the stock goes up in value, that's one bit of information that most people don't know. Then what capitalizes on that, or what makes that problem even bigger, if you knew NextEra Energy was going to go up in value, we are the 13th, right here. Here we are the 13th. And you knew NextEra, Dova, Johnson & Johnson, Ben Franklin, Lennar, Pepsi, Kimberly-Clark, GPC. You knew all of these were going to go up in value because we're here. You got 2, 7, 8, 9, 10 days to get NextEra. If you like NextEra. Okay? If you want to collect that dividend, you got to buy it before that date and hold it past the date of record. You buy it before the EX date. You sell it after. Wait a minute. Buy it before the EX date. You sell it after the date of record. If you want to collect a dividend, I don't want to collect a dividend. I want to collect the premium because the premium is usually higher than the dividend, and I'd rather get the premium. Here. What is the dividend for NextEra? Okay. NextEra, the dividend, 56 cents. So if I buy NextEra here, the 11th. So let's go to the 11th. Look at NextEra. NEE. High, low, was. Look at the motion. Down, up, sideways, down, up. So it's definitely going in upward trend right now. Okay, it's going up. Okay, 72.30. 72.30. You know what? Let's do the 72s. Right there. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's do just one. At the market. Here we go. Buy one covered NextEra, 22 August, the 72 call, blah, 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 blah. 154 is costing me $77,000. All right, $7,000. And what kind of return is that? Clear that. 154 is the profit divided by 7,046. Comes to a grand total of 2.1%. If you like NextEra. So here's the thing. Would you buy it before the EX date? Let's go back to there. Here's the EX date. It's paying a 56 cent dividend. Well, what's the premium? The premium, hold on, let's find out what it is. Let's go back to here, back to there, get out of there, and the 73 is paying, the 73 is paying $1.30. Now, if the dividend is 56 cents, it means I got to buy the stock and hold it into the dividend date. Okay? And to collect 56 cents. Or do I buy it first thing in the morning at $72.50, sell somebody the rights to buy it from me at $73, pick up $1.30, and then if the stock hits 73 between now and the EX date, I get back out of that money and I get that money also. Or I get the 2% on Monday. If it hits my target, I'm out. If it doesn't, I do it again. Get another 1 or 2%. If it hits my target, I'm out. If not, I do it again. Get another 1 or 2%, and get the dividend. Premium, dividend. What the hell is wrong with that? The dividend is 56 cents. The premium is $1.56. Explain to me why you think the dividend is better than the option on the stock at the current price as it is in an upward trend. terribly sorry, but my 9-year-old daughter got it in 15 minutes. Adults have a tendency to make this more complicated than it really needs to be. So we're past 11, way past my time, so I'm going to go over see what kind of questions, good quality questions. Don't ask me about stocks, we're not going to look at anymore. BH is a no, NE is a yes. GSK, never heard of it. BNS, never heard of it. Dutch Brothers, never heard of it. Tesla, ooh, I'm a little leery on Tesla only because they don't have dividends. Where were we? Oh, wow. I missed all these questions. Holy cow. Okay, J Mace, the software is actually called Think or Swim, and it's offered through Charles Schwab. So wavelength, Nextera, yes. ADM, Advanced Micro Devices. No, Archer Daniel Midland. Okay, sorry. AMD is Advanced Micro Devices. ADM is Archer Daniel Midland. LEG, Leggett and Platt. Good. Hey, Hollywood's in the house. What's happening? Multiple your money way faster if it goes up. Mustang, I have no idea what you're talking about. Chris, can you screen for these stocks in Think or Swim?
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Chris,
why? All right, Hollywood, let's go. All righty. PLD, never heard of it.
But I
died. Okay, Hollywood. Write it on your notebook. What on my notebook?
Like the
planes, they write everything.
All
right.
Friday.
Yuck.
Cause
they're dead.
I
have no idea what that means. All right. UNH, we did that one. Cisco, we looked at. VSAT, I have to look at it tomorrow.
What's your
analyst on VSAT? I have to take a look at it tomorrow. Because we're past 11. Hello, sir. Evening. Could you please state the 7 dividend stocks that help you reach 1.4% a week? Barn Penguin. Are you ready? Dividend Kings, Dividend Aristocrats, Dividend Champions, Dividend Contenders, Warren Buffett's list. You don't like that? Hold on a second. Let's go here. Hold tight.
And then go here. We're going to go here.
Go here. We're going to go there. We're going to go weekly trade
25. Are you ready for this?
Ready for this? Okay. All right. Week 26, June 23rd to the 27th. Halliburton, Foot Locker, Macy's, Kohl's, Riot, Advanced Auto Parts, Alcoa, Delta Airlines, Riley, Mara, Macy's, Harley Davidson, Riot, ASO, Kohl's, Intel, Foot Locker, Harley Davidson, Kohl's, Macy's, Riley, U.S. Steel, Ford. Kohl's, Devon Energy, Macy's, Riley, Hertz, Riot, Mara, Macy's, Harley Davidson, Kohl's, ASO, Riot, Intel, Foot Locker, blah, blah, blah. Every single one of my trades is posted online. Out of three accounts. I share 3 accounts publicly. You can see everything that I buy, everything that I sell.
Okay.
Let's go to the top, right here. Weekly trades 2025 was penned. Account 1, beginning balance 151. Year to date 57%. Account number 2, beginning balance 143. Year to date 46%. Account number 3, beginning balance 114. Year to date 63%. Year to date, we're in August, week number 33 of the year. There's 52 weeks in a year. I got what, 21 weeks left? No, wait a minute, 29 weeks left? And I'm already at 63, 46, and 57. And these 3 accounts that I share with you, I get 7 accounts. You ain't seeing the other 4, but these 3 I share publicly. You can take a look at each and every single one. Scroll all the way down to the very beginning. Very beginning, right there. Week 1, quarter 1, December 30th to January 3rd. 4.2, 1.8, 6.1. That's every single that week. Next week, 2.3, 1.7, 1.8. Week 3, 1.8, 3.6, 4.8. 2.3, 2.2, 3.2. They're all here. Just click on any single one of these.
Okay.
U.S. Steel, 34 cents per share. How many do I have? 1,600. That's 3,200. 3,200 shares at 34 cents per share. It's not a lot. 34 cents is not a lot.
Okay?
Okay?
34
cents
is not a lot.
But 16 contracts, that's 32 contracts. 32 contracts multiplied by 100, that's 3,200 shares. So 34 multiplied by 3,200 shares, grand total of $1,088 just for these two trades.
Now, I'm not
saying to brag or anything, but what I'm looking for is a simple, safe, predictable, consistent 1%. Do I like U.S. Steel? Well, back in February, yeah, I did.
I don't like
it anymore because they got bought out and the new market makers giving crappy premiums.
It's always
going to be a numbers game.
What did I buy it for?
What did I sell? What am I collecting? Does it make sense? Can I do it consistently? What is my risk? I have two goals in my trading. One, consistency of profitability. Remember I taught you that I like that Lee family? Consistency of profitability and the safety of my nest egg. Okay, so we're 11:20. What else we got? If your balance doesn't draw down, not quite sure what you mean by that, Cliff. But what's your balance on your account? Last we showed that we were down. You were down 50 grand. Where the hell did you get that idea from? Anyway, let's keep on going. I don't like MSTR. TDD. He's a boomer. Won't touch crypto. It's got nothing to do with it. Or anything that's touching it. Greed. He doesn't like it because you can't buy coffee with crypto. You're absolutely right. You can't. NRG, no idea what that is. Cliff, you showed it on your balance. Oh my God! Some people just drive me nuts. Drive me nuts. Yeah, right there. Down 44,000. But look at where I'm at. It don't look like a $50,000 loss. Yeah, stocks go up, stocks go down. Doesn't mean I'm lost. Doesn't mean I lost anything. Let's keep on going. I would like to notate and research on my own time. No problem with that. Sir, evening. Could you please take? Okay, we already did that. How much money do you need to sell options? I don't know, a couple $100. How much money do you need to sell options? A couple $100. RKLB is a good one. Let's take a look at tomorrow. How much money do you? Okay, you keep asking that same damn question. 256. What kind of question is that? Thank you. Not bad. How much? Okay, you keep asking that same damn question. It ain't gonna change. Do you pay up what the price is? Multiply 100. What was the math? GM is in business for 100 years, then went bankrupt. Yeah, I'm well aware of that. Beer Master, that means the stock is 242 times one share. Hey, that's a lot of money. Well, not necessarily so. Stocks, you can buy stocks at $3 and $2. Cents and GR. No idea what that was. Borrow money, home equity. I don't suggest you do that unless you really know what it is you're doing. Okay. What else do we got? QBTS and Shop. I'm going to say no to Shop because they haven't been around for 20 years. QBTS, I have no idea who the hell they are. Okay. Now, when I say I don't buy companies that I don't know who they are and what they do, Desubgator. Just minutes ago. I have no idea what that means. Thanks, James. Your help. You're welcome. Sir, how to DM you, please, for a Patreon membership? Okay. Tim Pirani. top left corner. You see my little picture up there in the top left. Click on that. It'll give you an envelope. It'll shoot a little envelope there. That's where you can send me your questions. K-Van, the wife is on board. Cool beans.
What else do we got?
What else do we got?
Eric.
All right. Chris.
Not
broadcasting. Chris, not quite sure what you mean by that.
He says
UNH and Pepsi and Lockheed Martin covered calls. Okay, yeah, I said those. Oh, that's what I'm trying to know what to write. Coconut Man Homestead. Now, you've been here before, so remember that name. The single is bad. He says weekly options or on covered calls. BX, no idea what that is. Where is James Sunday, Monday, Tuesday? I'm online Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday. I got a question. Who is this? Mark. Okay. Mark just sent me a message. Cool beans. ENTRA. What the hell is that? Sounds like a plan. Yay. Thank you. How can I DM you regardless? Patreon. Okay, yeah. Top left-hand corner. PLTY. Okay, Veen the Fiend. Did you really seriously take a look at PLTY and take a look at how consistently profitable they are and how long have they been in business? Chris, sir, can you please tell me how to deem? Okay, Tim, I just told like 5 or 6 times, dude. Seriously. UNH, okay, Prithapal Thor? Yeah, UNH, we're looking at that one. Top picks, PFE. Ooh, yeah, we looked at PFE last night, didn't we? Okay, done there. UNC, give me a kiss. Yeah. SENS, I have no idea what that is. Nova Compounds, hell yeah. All right, so back over to here. You sure as heck can. I have no idea what that means. TTD. Okay. Wavelength, Nectaria and Leggett and Platt. I like both of those. MO, Altria. I like Altria. Literally bought a car this week with crypto. Good with you. NEE, TFF, TTD, TTD. Please switch to mirror view. There's no way to switch to mirror view that I know of. Where can I find your book? I don't know your rules. Chasing Buckets. Okay, you're on YouTube. Okay, I've had a YouTube account for past. Let me see. What year are we in? Since 2011, I think. So I have videos going all the way back to 2011. You're on YouTube. My phone number is on YouTube. Mustang. Good night, everyone. Tilray. Where can I find the book? Amazon. CNQ. Please look at it tomorrow. NEE. Mail tomorrow. This seems cool. What are we doing here? Looking for investing tips on top 5 penny stocks. Yeah, no. Been selling puts 2 strikes in the money for a month. Cliff, awesome. It works for some people. It doesn't work for everyone. Yo, it's literally all trash stocks. Have fun retiring at 75, guys. James, I'll be back at 130,000 to remind you was the boss in this market. Okay. Wow. Then there's fighting words. All right. What is your strat? DX gambling. Okay. What stock is he talking about? UPS. What is the stock? Is just profitable each quarter. So you know they're making money. So it should be safe. Absolutely dividend. Okay, Dylan. If the company is consistently profitable, that means they go higher and higher and higher. Nova Compounds, what's your book? I wrote 14 books, so I don't know which book you're talking about. UNCUPMO me? What the hell does that mean? Private message. Selling been selling puts. Okay, fine. I'm writing better than when I was in school. I'm not quite sure what that says about the school system. Greed. You buy in stack BTC. You borrow against your pristine collateral, and you buy dividend-paying stocks that have digital assets exposure. Take the dividends and invest going into Bitcoin tomorrow against buy stock. That's not that simple, dude. And I tell you what, I cannot go to Starbucks and buy a cup of coffee with Bitcoin. I recommend about Intel late week, and you ignored me. Well, there was probably a reason for that. RuneScape only. All right, so we're almost done here. Nike, we'll look at it tomorrow. He don't do margin. Yes, I do margin. I do. I tell people not to until you understand it. ASTS stock. I'll take a look tomorrow. Orlando, NEE. Gucci the Bulldog. Merck. I actually own some Merck. JD is just about dead. Okay. I bet you've never bought Macy's before. Macy's is one of my favorite stocks. I've been buying and selling it for the past 3 years. Thoughts on M-stocks? I'll talk about tomorrow. What's your opinion on XRP? Yeah, no. You make 132% with YieldMax MSTY. No, actually, you don't. Take a look at the numbers and take a real good look at the numbers. That company's not even 2 years old yet. There's no possible way on God's green earth any company can pay out more money than they bring in. Think about it. Because what you're saying doesn't make sense, and you believe it. So if I make $100 million, if I make $100 million, how the hell am I going to pay out $132 million? It's an honest, valid question. If you're paying out more than you're earning, how the hell can you continue to do that? You're not going to answer the question because you can't answer the question. Okay? Yeah. YieldMax is paying out 132%. Where do you think they're getting that extra 32%? They're taking new investors' money to pay the old investors. That's called a Ponzi scheme. What's his name did that? Agreed, I sold YieldMax facts because decrease. Okay. Macy's is my favorite stock. Was not okay. Can we look at Energy Transfer tomorrow? Okay. Take a good look at Energy Transfer and take a look at the premiums that they're offering. You've got to be exactly on the money with Energy Transfer. If you're not, you're screwed. So I stopped doing Energy Transfer a few years ago because of some strange reason. The premiums changed, and it became no longer profitable to do so. BBAI, I'll take a look at tomorrow. Your boards are backwards. No, my boards are fine. YouTube doesn't offer a mirroring app on my phone. Okay. Bologna high is the strong move in the Russell these past 2 days, the start of a larger move. I don't pay attention to Russell. It has nothing to do with me. Bullish IPO, I don't do IPOs either. PLTR, they pay weekly and they do it for you. Okay, Orlando, go take a look at how profitable they have been over the last 2 decades. Now, you guys seem to not understand one thing. I'm 61. I don't have the luxury of being wrong. So if I do something and lose, I'm screwed and I have to go back to work. No, thank you. Now, most of you people are still working. You can screw up and still recover from it. Now, I could go back to work, but my first job was in 1973. Some of you people weren't even born then. So I've been working since 1970. I retired 2 years ago because I had enough money at 1% a week to cover all my bills. MSTW, they also pay weekly, and you pay every week. Okay, good luck with that one. Murdoch is the one that founded NASDAQ Exchange and promoted IPOs. You taught me covered calls, now I'm doing call options. Thank you for your teaching. Enron, you're welcome. In that case, you might as well. Misty Dividend is crazy. Yes, it is. Fundamentals, not so much. Not at all. To win in this market, buy anything crypto and tech, sell everything else. Waterloo, I'm going to disagree with you. I bought Purple Squirrel coin when Lambo. No idea what that means. Thoughts on Aerotine? Never heard of it. NDA is a no. What's the point of having the board backwards to confuse you specifically? What's the dividend on Coca-Cola? I bought Coca-Cola maybe once. Heinz, I bought it about 2 or 3 times. But selling calls, you're still 50,000 down, but you don't need money, so it's just a hedge. Cliff, I'm not understanding exactly what you're talking about. Seriously, if you want to have a conversation, fine. Throw me your phone number, we'll chat. Okay? Because You understand the conversation in your head. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screens up here and 1 screen down here. So you're carrying on one conversation in your head, and it makes sense to you. Well, I'm talking to a couple of hundred people, and I'm trying to make sense of everything that's going on, and what you're saying makes no sense to me. But selling calls, you're still $50,000 down, but you don't need the money, so it's a hedge. I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. I mean, I understand what you mean by $50,000 down. Yeah, I get about 8 or 9 positions. They're not all up. Some of them are down. But here's the thing. If I own Harley Davidson at 25 and it drops to 20, and they still give me over 1% a week, even though it's below 25 what I bought it at, they still give me 1% a week. Why do I really care? Seriously, it's a serious question. I missed some of this. Thoughts on MRA, covered call for tomorrow. One, you got blah, blah, blah. I don't think we went over merit today. I don't think so. Don't understand why people argue with you, because people are just, I try not to understand what people do. I get it. Thank you, Cliff. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love to have the chat with you. I love to chat with anybody. And if you think you are talking with me through text, DEM, what do you call that? Text message, email, Instagram, Telegram, whatever, Snapchat, whatever. If you think you're chatting with, you're not. I don't do that. I'm here live to tell you specifically. You want to chat with me, send me your number. I will give you a call. Hippie Girl 64, yes. I do not understand. I do not have a computer. I only have a phone. Can I do all this on the phone only? Yeah, you can. I love the phone. I love my Robin Hood, because I can do it anywhere. I can be at a traffic light and go click, 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 and make a few dollars. It's an investment if you haven't taken a loss. And what's wrong with that, Cliff? I mean, think about Cliff. Okay. My rule number 1: never buy something you're not willing to hold on to long term. So we're here looking at Nextera Energy. Here's a question for you, Cliff. You ready? Nextera Energy. We looked at it a little while ago. It has a 66-cent dividend. 66-cent dividend coming up. Okay, hold on. Cliff, you ready? If you bought Nextera at 62, and I bought Nextera at 86, they get a 66-cent dividend coming up. Let's say you bought 1,000 shares at 62, and I bought 1,000 shares at 86. Okay, we both have 1,000 shares. The dividend is 66 cents per share. How much money are you getting? 1,000 shares at 66 cents a share. That's $660, right? If I buy 1,000 shares at 86, and the dividend is 66 cents, what am I collecting? I'm collecting the exact same amount of money as you are. Okay? So you're in at 62. I'm in at 86. The current price is 73. I'm going to sell the 74s, pick up 89 cents per share. That's over 1%. My risk is that I'm in at 86 and I'm selling the 74s. I'm still picking up over 1%. But here's the interesting thing. I look at it twice a day. Once in the morning with my private morning trading group. Yep, that's a paid service, and no, I'm not trying to sell you on it. And 2, at night with you guys. I have a good idea of what all my positions are doing every time. I also have this. Check this out. Right click. Create alert. Okay. I can create alert any stock I have any way I want. At or above. At or below, above, price, and then right here, check this. Sounds on my computer, sends me an email, and sends me a text. If the stock that I own, Nextera, let's get rid of that. Okay? Nextera, I'm in at 86, you're in at 62, I'm selling the 74s, I'm picking up 89 cents, which is over 1.2%.
Okay,
for the week, 1.2%. If the stock goes to 73.50, I want to be notified.
Guess what?
If the stock goes up, they say, hey, James, the stock's at 73, getting close to that 74. What do you want to do?
At
that point, I will roll it into the next week. I will buy it back. I have my options available. A lot of things I can do. I have two main goals. Number one, consistency, profitability, and number two, preservation of my capital. Those are my two number one goals. And so far this year, I think I've had 4 losses this year. We're in August, week number 33. I got 4 losses. That's it.
Heck yeah,
I agree with you. Didn't need the money. When you say you don't do monthlies, exactly what do you mean? Payout monthly? Papa Fonz. Papa Fonz, are you ready for this? This is my last one, and then I'm done. My throat. My voice is getting bad. I'm not used to talking so much. All right, Papa Fonz, you ready for this? Ready? 15 August. That's Friday. It's 2 days away. 22 August. That's next Friday. 29 August. 3 Fridays away. 4 Fridays. 5 Fridays. 6, 7, 8, 9. Every single Friday, every single week, I can do a covered call. That's why it's called weekly options. Now. Oh, Realty. Everybody loves Oh Realty. 15 August. That's Friday. 19 September. That's 5 weeks away. That's next month. 19 December. 16 January. 20 March. Those are monthlies. I don't do monthlies. They don't pay the same. Just not worth my time and effort. Do you trade 10-day, 20 days, or do you do weekly? Weekly only. That's it. Just weekly. See, I grew up in the 60s, 70s, and 80s. I went to work 8 o'clock Monday morning. I got done at work at 5 o'clock Friday afternoon. Well, guess what? That works for me. You know what else works for me? The stock market opens up at 9:30. The stock market closes at 4. Monday morning, Friday afternoon. I'm done at 4 o'clock. Let's go, Hollywood! All right, so I'm done. You guys have a great night. That being said, holla at you later. We're going to do the same thing again tomorrow night. Here we go. And I am done. And I am done. You guys have a great night. Done. And I am done. Hey, oh, my thingy disappeared.